राज्यात ईडीएम महोत्सवाबाबतीत मंत्री विनोद पालेकरान उक्तायल्ल्या हुस्क्याचो काँग्रेस प्रदेशाध्यक्ष शांताराम नायकान येवकार केला. मात असले महोत्सव गोंयच्या पर्यटना खातीर म्हत्वाचो आसा. मात हाका लागून कडक पुलीस सुरक्षा दवरून असल्यो पार्टी करूं येता म्हण प्रदेशाध्यक्ष शांताराम नायक उलयला. RDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Mr. Vinod Palekar has expressed concern and has sort of opposed for having EDMs in Goa. I share his concern because he must be genuinely feeling concern about drug addiction cases that take place when EDM festival takes place. But my concern, my submission is that Goa being a tourist state, and since we are concerned with some income, we are required alternate income, EDMs are necessary. But when these festivals or musical festivals are held, police machinery should be very stringent and they should deal with things with iron hands. I am told that after this musical festival takes place, those who come from outside, they indulge in drugs. After that, perhaps when festival takes place, music program is there, nobody takes drugs. Maybe after that, over, throughout the night, that will be. So, but police can take strict action. उंदरा मरपा खातीर घर लासचें न्ही हें मुगेलें म्हणलें. Therefore, if police take stringent action against drugs, these programs can be held.